So, the weatherproofing tests. Let's put the spike into the ground to begin with to hold it in place, and take the sensor itself now. It pushes just slightly into the top of that, holds it firmly in place. Now turning on the hose. In this particular test, there's only kitchen paper inside instead of the electronics. If the kitchen paper has absorbed water, we'll know that it's not safe and we shouldn't put the electronics in without making some design changes. But luckily, as you can see, the kitchen paper there is completely dry. So I think successful test, part 1. Part 2 now. All the electronics are inside, and the Pico and the battery, the microphone and the transceiver. And the Pico is just running a blink program, so we'll see at the end if there's any moisture inside and whether everything is still running. As you can see, the solar panel did nicely function as an umbrella for the rest of the components, and relatively little water actually reached the sensor body itself. Taking off the outer cover, and then the inner cover, and now let's have a look inside the components bay. Bring it into focus, and thankfully, as you can see, we still have a blinking LED, and it appears entirely dry inside. No water has come down the cables either from the solar panel. Test success, I think. Lastly, we've left the sensor here now next to the strawberry plants where it'll be running and checking its power system.